Panduit's Deal and Design Registration (DDR) program provides incentives to Panduit ONE tiered partners who have undertaken obvious actions that result in Panduit winning a new project that couldn't have been won without the Panduit ONE's partner lead and market influence. Please watch this video to learn more about the Deal and Design Registration program and how to register your DDR application today. Log into the hub from the link shown here to register your Deal or Design Registration DDR. You can find the DDR application under the My Program menu item. Select the Deal Design Registration option. Here you can create a new DDR application by clicking on the New button. This creates a new application where you can fill out the details about the opportunity that you are registering. Enter the name of the project in the project name field, and then select your company name in the account name field. It is already pre-populated, so you just need to select it. Select the project stage from the Stage drop-down. The DDR application should be submitted before the project is won or a bid is awarded, and before purchasing begins. If the project has already been won, it no longer qualifies for a DDR. The Identifying Proposal Bidding stage is the correct stage for a new DDR submission. The Project Awarded stage means that you have won the project and the bid has been awarded. The Purchasing Completed stage means that you have won the project and the product has been purchased. Only use these stages after the DDR has been approved and the project has progressed to the sales cycle. You cannot register a DDR after the project has been awarded or has moved to the purchasing stage. Next, you will select the DDR type. Here, you will indicate whether you are registering a deal or a design. This indicates whether you are planning to design a Panduit solution, a design registration, or to specify and/or quote a Panduit solution, a deal registration. In this next section, you will enter the end user information. Here you will enter the basic information about the customer for the project. Please complete the required fields, end user company name and address details, as well as the first and last name of the main contact. Panduit only uses this information as part of a validation process for the DDR application and cannot approve the DDR without it. If you do not provide this information, you may see delays in the approval process. In the project details section, you will enter a few more details about the project. Use the calendar feature to select the expected first order date. This should represent the approximate date that you expect purchasing for the project to begin. Please note, this date should be in the future. If purchasing has already started, the project does not qualify for a DDR. Remember, you cannot register a DDR when the project has been awarded or has moved to the purchasing stage. You will then select the estimated purchasing length for the project. This is an estimate for how long purchasing will take to complete for the project. The system will auto-calculate the expected purchasing end date by adding the estimated purchasing length to the expected first order date that you selected. In the Estimated Panduit Purchases field, do your best to estimate the value of the Panduit products used for the project. If you have a bill of material, this may help with the estimate. For partners in North America, please also indicate if general cable purchases will be included in the project by clicking the Include General Cable checkbox and entering the estimated general cable purchase amount. In the Scope of Project field, you can provide the details of the project and your involvement in getting a Panduit solution specified, which will help expedite the approval process. Here you can select the solution area that best aligns to the project by clicking on it and selecting the right arrow. You can ignore the voucher request section at the bottom of the page for now. This is only applicable when you are ready to close the opportunity. Once the information in the application is complete, click the Save button. Please note, you have just saved your entry, but it is not yet submitted. Now that the entry has been saved, you can upload documents. If you have a bill of material available for the project, please upload it here. When we review the DDR for approval, we may request a copy of the bill of material. Uploading it now, if it is available, will help expedite the approval process. Now you are ready to submit the application. Click the Submit Registration button at the top. You will receive an email confirming your submission so you know it was successfully submitted. Once Panduit has completed the review, you will receive an email confirming if the DDR has been approved. If you have any questions about submitting a deal or design registration, please feel free to contact your Panduit account manager or your local partner program operations team. For partners in North America, for partners in Latin America, for partners in EMEA.